Why you should buy JasmyCoin now, guys? Today, guys, it is on. You can see there the date. It is on. Why you should buy JasmyCoin now? Today it is on 3rd, 2023, 2024. Like it is on January, February, March 23rd, 2024. And I'm telling you, you should buy JasmyCoin now. You should buy JasmyCoin now. The price is 0.02051. JasmyCoin, you should buy it now because it have shown, guys, it is going up. And if you look here on this time frame, if I put it on the time frame of 1 week, you should see JasmyCoin said it is going high, and you can see there it just passed. It want to go to this line and it will be gone, guys. And if I put it on a monthly chart, it already says that you need to have bought it earlier because it is gone. So guys, you need to buy JasmyCoin this moment I'm speaking now. You need to buy JasmyCoin. Look at that monthly chart, guys. It is gone. This method is the one that I used to trade, guys, and this one works really good. Look, this stick, this is a different method too. It just switched here. It said it is going high. It is a monthly chart which goes very fast, and I want to show you on 1 minute, which I know it is trading now. If it says it is going high, let us try on 1 minute. You will see any moment we see those lines, this thing is going up. Any moment we see those lines, it is going up or down. You see that? So imagine JasmyCoin did like this. It went down, it came here, it is keeping going down, but it shows, this line shows that this trend ended. It captured up a little bit, and then this trend is still going down. You don't know if it ended or not. But another one that I had said, guys, we buy is Club Finance, guys. Club Finance, look, Club Finance also, it is, the price is this one. Remember when I was saying we buy, the price was 0.0 like 3 something, but now it is 1071, 0.1071, and this, guys, is the price now. So you can also buy Club Finance, guys. And if Club Finance also said that it is going up, let us put it on a weekly chart and see what Club Finance also say. Club Finance on a weekly chart, it didn't say anything actually. It just went here and said it is done, running down. It have been done. I bought it. Mostly I was saying we buy it when it was down here. I used to say buy. But you can see it haven't said anything though. But let us look for 1 month. 1 month, we see it says, you know what? It started going up because now we can see Club Finance on over 60 cents easily because of the 1 month's run. It shows that it can go to 60 cents very easily. 60 cents we can get there. Another coin that I have been asking members of the channel to buy, it is this one. This one is called Filecoin. I started saying we buy these things very long a time ago, and the reason why I said we buy these, it was because any moment, guys, the stock or anything does like this, they run up too much down, they play down here, they start going high, which it did. This one did the same thing. So, and then you can see this one now, it is doing the same thing. So we want it to run up, and this one is internet computer too. So on monthly chart, internet computer haven't said it is going high or whatever. It doesn't say anything. This one doesn't say anything. This Filecoin doesn't say anything also on monthly chart. But if you put it on a weekly chart, you will get a very different information. Let us put it on a weekly chart. On a weekly chart, JasmyCoin said it is going high. There you can see it said it is going high. On a weekly chart, JasmyCoin finished this. JasmyCoin is playing games here just to blow up. You can see because it said on monthly chart it is going high. This one doesn't say anything. A Filecoin, on the other hand, it says on a monthly chart, it says what? It's actually, it said on a weekly chart, it said, you see, it said it is going high, it went high, came down, it don't even know where it is going now. But the fact is, Filecoin, it is going now got to go high. I do feel if Filecoin gets to $15, it will say wherever it is going. This one is internet computer, guys, and this one is one of my biggest holding with Dogecoin. So it was $3, $4. I told people to buy too much, like this, I think last year 2023 October, November there, I used to say buy this when it was $3, $4. Now it doesn't show anything, but this one shows that it finished, so it should run out. But if it gets $27, we will know that it should say something. If we put it on a daily chart, they start bringing some information. This one, no information from Filecoin on a daily chart. On internet computer, it brought information. So internet computer basically said it is going high now. So like you see there, it is going high. JasmyCoin on a daily chart, it is going high. It had some retreat, it is going high. And then this one, it haven't said anything, but it shows it is also going high. We understand we are in a boom run. Something like also Shiba Inu said here it is going high a little bit, and then it came and then it went high. Now this one, when it has gone to 40, but we don't know about the other information. But the truth is Shiba Inu went up a little bit. Shiba Inu went to like from down here, which was like, you see, those are like 509, then it went up there. So it is also getting ready. So guys, my point is that buy this coin very fast. Buy JasmyCoin now, because look, it is going, guys. It is going. Look at that. And then look at this is daily chart. But if you put on a monthly chart, it just said it want to start going. It want to start going, guys. On a monthly, no, this is 6 months. No, we want monthly chart, no, even 3 months. 3 months, guys. This one is a stock, leave it alone. It doesn't say anything. Doesn't say anything. 3 months doesn't say anything. Bitcoin on 3 months, it doesn't say anything. But on monthly chart, guys, Bitcoin says something differently. This stock says Bitcoin on, you see, Bitcoin says on a monthly chart, Bitcoin says that it is going high now. Remember the last time it said it was down here, 2015, it said another one, April 19. The moment it said it here, you can see it went up here. Now it have said here, which was 30,000, and then it have just moved past 70. This one on a monthly chart, it doesn't say anything. On a monthly chart, also Filecoin doesn't say anything on a monthly chart, but it said it finished falling at least. And Shiba Inu says on a monthly chart it won't run up. No, this is JasmyCoin. JasmyCoin here. JasmyCoin says it won't run up on this monthly chart. It just said it won't run up. So let me say JasmyCoin goes and it is past 20 cents, or it goes even to 30 cents. Guys, buy JasmyCoin now. Buy this JasmyCoin now, guys. Buy JasmyCoin any moment you can. I want you to buy JasmyCoin. It is time to buy JasmyCoin because it has shown it is going high. Bitcoin also, it has shown it is going high. So guys, don't be left behind. Don't be left behind, and don't say nobody told you. So you have the video, make your own decision. This video is not financial advice, guys. This is what I'm doing. I'm not telling you to do it. This is what I'm doing. By 2025, this JasmyCoin is going to make me a millionaire already. So because JasmyCoin moving from, I started buying JasmyCoin long ago when it was 0 like 20333130 or 0205 something. So I started buying JasmyCoin long, but the moment it hits like 20, I'm really up. guys. And this one is really faster, so it is not long ago we will see JasmyCoin going there. So buy JasmyCoin now before it hits like all-time high.